Y'all, there's a pizza joint right down the road that has an awesome meatball sub that they do in their pizza oven. Y'all, it is some good groceries, and I'm going to show you how I make a meatball sub in the Blackstone Pizza Oven. It's a pizza party. All right, so first thing we got to do, we got to cook our meatballs. This new cast iron pan Blackstone came out with, square pan, and also has like a removable handle. Works so well. And we're going to start off by adding a little bit of oil to our pan. I bought some pre-made raw meatballs. These are pork Italian sausage meatballs. So over at the pizzeria, you know, they got like a, kind of like a big old dome, oven, wood type thing. And I thought, hey, I could do that. It's not wood, but hey, it's all right. So we're just gonna put our handle in here and we're gonna take it over to the pizza oven. Let's go. So our pizza oven's been pre-warmed. I've got it on low and it's just a little bit below this orange Blackstone zone, what I call it. And that's about 400 degrees, y'all. So we're just gonna cook these meatballs until they're almost done. We're gonna temp them. We'll put a little marinara sauce with them, get them all incorporated. We're gonna stick them in our buns, y'all. Back into the oven it goes, just for a couple minutes, just to let this get kind of happy together, all right? Hey, appreciate you watching thus far. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. I sure would like to interact with you. Let's talk about the buns, hon. I got 3 nice sub rolls here. These are just, actually get these from Restaurant Depot, and they're just nice, I don't know, 6-8 inch rolls. I thought they looked fantastic, so what I am going to do is I'm going to slice these down the middle, but not all the way through. Slice halfway and then just kind of work it back like that right there. Then your meatball's gonna go right there. Then you're gonna have cheese. Ooh, we're gonna get these meatballs out. Oh man, look at that. Boy, that is some good groceries. That sauce has reduced some. It's kind of got some of that oil from the meatballs. We're gonna let those hang out for just a second. We're not done with these buns, hun. So we are going to, we got 3 rolls. I think we're gonna do about 3. We're gonna take just a little bit of our oil here. It's gonna sprinkle it with some of this Tuscan herb seasoning from Blackstone. This just gives it a little bit more, a little something else. A little bit of salt. We're gonna take these over to the pizza oven. Gonna get it nice and crusty. 30 seconds and these dudes right here is nice and crusty. That's what we're looking for. Woo! Let's go to the cutting board, y'all. Guys, it smells like a pizzeria. It smells like a little joint down the road. So now's the time for some cheese. And you're probably saying, Hussey, what kind of cheese? Glad you asked. We're gonna do some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put some on the bottom and I'm gonna put some on top. I want it cheesy, like me. Nice little bed for our meatballs. Now, 1 meatball, 2 meatball. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Let's see, can I get another? Get another, right there. All right, looks like I can get 5 meatballs per sub. Now we're gonna take some of this awesome marinara sauce and we're just gonna scoop over each sub. This looks good. Now, we're not done. So we're gonna do that 1-2 punch cheese. We're gonna do provolone on top. Now, go back to the pizza oven, get this nice and melty, and we're gonna be done. All right, these things, I even got 1 piece of my bread and got a little too hot. Whoop, there we go. Just blow it out. Just blow it out. There we go. Whoa. Look at that. That beats any pizzeria, I guarantee it. Let's go to the cutting board, y'all. Guys, holy cow. This is a meatball sub. It don't look much different at all than a place down the road. Guys, man alive, I am ready. Ooh. Son. Man, that cheese pull just keeps on going. Wow. Wow. Whew, it's gonna be hot. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. My word. Mmm. Mmm. About fell over. Y'all, that meatball, I mean, it was a pre-made meatball. It's amazing. Y'all, I could taste that fennel, all those other kind of spices that's kind of going through. That marinara sauce has worked. Mmm. That bread is what's up. Nice and crunchy. Had one kind of catch on fire on me, but that's okay. I blew it out. But y'all, this right here, is dynamite. Y'all, I guarantee you make this for your crowd, they will love it, and they may not want to go to the pizzeria again. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you find other pizzeria type items just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and it's a pizza party.